Welcome. In today's quick guide, we're going to learn how to block those pesky notification permission pop-ups on Google Chrome using your mobile device. If you're tired of websites constantly asking to send you notifications, this simple setting will solve that in just a few taps. Let's get right into it. First, open the Chrome app on your phone. Whether you're on Android or iPhone, the process is nearly the same, so you can easily follow along. Next, look toward the top right corner of your screen and tap the three dots to open the menu. This menu gives you access to several settings, but for now, we'll focus on adjusting site permissions. Now, scroll down through the menu and select Settings. This is where Chrome stores all your personal and security preferences, including how websites interact with your device. Inside Settings, scroll until you find Site Settings. Tap on it to continue. Site settings allow you to control what websites can do, from camera and location access to notifications and pop-ups. Once you're in site settings, locate and tap Notifications. This area manages how websites send alerts through Chrome. Finally, to block notification permissions completely, just toggle off the switch next to Notifications. Once you do, Chrome will stop websites from asking for permission to send you alerts altogether.